Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to talk about another discount broker review. We are going to talk about Trade Plus Online. It's a recently established broker. It seems that after 2010, when Zerodha came into picture with the discount broking concept, a lot of stockbrokers are moving into the herd and probably trying to get some money and visibility at the same time. However, in this review, we will be talking about company background, pricing, brokerage, exposure, trading products, trading platforms, and a lot of other features that can help you to figure out whether Trade Plus Online is a suitable stockbroker for you or not. Let's get started. So like we mentioned, it's a discount broker. Trade Plus Online seems to be an early entrant into the discount broking space in the year 2010 itself. It offers fixed brokerage plans on a monthly and yearly level, and the customer service is reasonably done in terms of number of communication channels or the overall quality. We'll talk about that a lot more moving ahead. We'll start with trading products. Now, if you open an account with Trade Plus Online or you want to do that, then you can trade or invest in equity, commodity, currency, depository services, IPOs, mutual funds and bonds. Now, not a lot of discount brokers offer you to trade or invest in IPOs. Trade Plus Online does that. If you talk about the trading platforms, now they've got multiple presences across devices such as desktop, laptop, browser-based applications, mobile apps. We'll talk about all of these one by one, and we'll start with the mobile application. For that, we need to go ahead and check out Google Play Store. So Trade Plus Online has the mobile app with the name Trade Plus Mobile itself. Now, looking at the numbers first, the app is rated at 3.9 by around 143 users. Out of that, around 20% of the users have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands at around 80%. Now, if you look at the update frequency cycle, this is astonishing. Looking at the date here, the last update was done on July 11th, 2016. Now, we're recording this video in the last week of May 2017. It's close to 11 months that this app has seen an update. Now, this is absolutely strange and weird at the same time, because discount broking space is getting very competitive these days. And mobile apps are the things of the future where you try to capture the audience attention and give them the best trading experiences across platforms. Mobile app again being at the forefront. This app has seen an install range of 10,000 to 50,000. So again, an average number, not so great. So from numbers perspective, we probably initially thought the numbers are good, at least the ratings are good. But when it comes to the focus of Trade Plus Online as a discount broker itself, it doesn't give a good picture. We had a word with some of the clients of Trade Plus Online. The concerns are all over the place. So there are OTP related issues. There are issues with charts. So in a sense, there are no charts at all. We have seen other mobile trading applications there where we found that there are issues with the loading of charts. In this particular application, there is no chart in the first place. So that's a big drawback, especially if you talk about a trading application and you want to do any sort of technical or fundamental analysis. It's a big go away. Then there are concerns with the performance of the application, the number of features the application carries. So at least 4 to 5 grave concerns are there which need immediate attention. But looking at this update frequency cycle, it doesn't seem like that these issues will be resolved. So if you are a client of Trade Plus or looking to be one of them, well, we will not recommend you to go ahead with your trading through mobile app. You can check out the other trading applications like we are going to do. But as far as mobile application is concerned, it's definitely a no-go. So we are using our digitalblogger.com for reference. I will start with the browser-based application of Trade Plus Online. They have taken license of NSE Now application, which you can access it through any browser, any device. It is responsive and it's very lightweight in nature, so it doesn't require a high configuration at your end. You just need to put your user ID and password and you can start trading with this particular application. So they don't really have their own in-house browser-based application as of now. Now then they have InfiniTrader, which is a terminal based software you need to download and install it onto your laptop or desktop. Once you do that, you can just log in and start trading through your software. It gives you all kinds of features. Performance wise, it's pretty good, so it gives you good speed. In terms of technical or fundamental analysis, it is exhaustive in nature as far as number of features are concerned. It gives you an easy navigation, so smooth processing, smooth flow through is also present for you. A lot of customizations and personalization features are present too, so it's pretty much more than an average application and certainly a recommendable one. One thing that Trade Plus Online can work on this particular software InfiniTrader is the user experience. Now in terms of usability, we've already mentioned that it is good, but the overall user experience, user interface, moving from one feature to another can be an area that Trade Plus Online can look into. Otherwise, it's certainly a recommendable application. You can go ahead and start your trading through InfiniTrader. We have talked about the mobile application already, which certainly needs a lot of improvement, especially when it comes to the update frequency cycle from Trade Plus Online. It also gives you a sense of focus from the stockbroker. In terms of the time they put in their trading platforms, it gives you an idea what kind of experience they are looking to provide to their clients at the end of the day. So in terms of picking out specific trading platforms from Trade Plus Online, you can just pick out InfiniTrader or Now application. As of now, the mobile app is one area that needs a lot of work. So these are the trading applications. Let's move ahead and talk about other features of Trade Plus Online. So if you're looking to open an account with them, they will charge you around 200 rupees for opening the account, and maintenance will cost you 500 for 5 years straight. So they don't really have a yearly AMC in place. What they will charge you an upfront cost of 500, and that will be valid till the next 5 years with Trade Plus Online. As far as brokerage is concerned, they have got brokerage depending on the trading segment you're looking to put your money in. For example, if you're looking to trade in delivery, they have brokerage at 0.1% of your trade value. That would mean that if you trade for 1 lakh rupees, you need to shell out 100 rupees as brokerage charges to Trade Plus Online. Similarly, for intraday, it is 0.01%. If you want to talk about the other segments, we need to go back and check out our digital blogger. So as you can see here, we have discussed about these two segments. If you look at equity futures, they have a monthly plan at 799 rupees, around 800. Equity options for 100. Currency future and options at 900, and so is the case with commodities. You can also have unlimited trading plans across the segments plugged in together. So if you want to, let's say, trade in equity F&O and currency F&O and commodity, then you can have a word with them and they can provide you a discounted price wherein you can trade for unlimited level across the segments for the whole month, and that particular number that they're going to tell you is going to be your total brokerage without any cap on the number of trades you place or the amount of trades you place on the stock market. Next up is exposure or leverage. For people who don't understand the concept, basically it's kind of a short-term loan provided by your stockbroker at a specific interest rate. Now this interest rate can be in the range of 15% to 20% every year. In terms of Trade Plus Online, now in case of equity delivery, you can get an exposure of 4 times and intraday 10 times. They have specific conditions of what kind of segments you can get exposure on. Now, for example, in case you have trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 1 lakh rupees with Trades Plus Online in equity intraday segment. In other segments, you will be sort of disappointed because in any future segment, you will not get any exposure, while in options and commodity, it's maximum going to be 2 times, not beyond that. However, these values are negotiable, and especially if you start making consistent profits using Trade Plus Online services, then by time they definitely will open up higher exposure values with you. But as of now, at the upfront, these are the values you are going to get from them. Finally, if you talk about positives and negatives of opening an account with Trade Plus Online, we'll start with the positives first. So it's a discount broker, gives you all kinds of brokerage plans, be it per executed order, or they also have future and options or commodity segment related monthly plans. And if you want to club them together, they have a provision for that too. The customer service is also reasonable in nature. The turnaround time is actually not so bad. It's better than the industry average. Number of communication channels are around email support. They have a phone number. You can also get in touch with them through the social media channels as well. So in terms of customer service or brokerage, they are pretty good. Then there are some negatives too. We've already seen the exposure part where you will get disappointed to an extent in specific segments. In terms of their mobile app, there is a lot that can be improved, especially they need to buck up their frequency update cycle, which is currently in years, which should be in weeks rather. Then another thing is around their AMC. Now it's good that they've got a straight 5-year plan of 500 rupees. I think they also have a 10-year plan, but people who are beginners or smaller investors, getting them hooked for 5 years with you, it's kind of a difficult thing, at least from a consumer's point of view. So they should have at least a yearly AMC plan as well for people who are looking to get into that, test the waters and then work out accordingly. So some of the positives are there, some of the negatives too. You have to figure out which of specific requirements you have, and based on that you can make a choice of going ahead with Trade Plus Online or not. So this is it as far as review of Trade Plus Online is concerned. If you want to have a word with the executive of the stockbroker, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/trade plus open demat account. Put in your details there and we will be setting up a call back for you absolutely free. However, if you're looking for a stockbroker that matches exactly with your requirements, what you can do is check out this other link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. We will be setting up few callbacks for you as per your preferences, as per your details, and if you like it, you can go ahead and open a demat account with them. So this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much again for watching the video. Bye.